If you wanted to get your Galaxy Z Fold 4 on time, then stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 official reservation is out. You don't need to pay upfront. The best part is that you can trade off the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with other phones, and also if you reserve early, then Samsung is giving you a big discount on pre-orders. Samsung is going to launch the foldable devices on August 10 at 9 a.m. Eastern Time alongside with the Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds Pro. Samsung even shared a multiple teaser on new upcoming foldable devices which they will be using later in the trailer of both the devices. Also, yesterday we have seen multiple render images which are the official render images of both the foldable devices has appeared, which give us a pretty much good idea what the design looks like. And yes, Samsung is making this big with starting reservation for Z Fold 4 and Flip 4 just like the last year. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel and comment below are you guys are going to reserve your Z Fold 4? And if you guys want to get the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 on time, then this is the right time to reserve your Fold 4 devices. Now you can head over to the Samsung official website and give your information, your name and email ID to reserve your device. No other thing is going to be needed. So you might be thinking, why should you do that when we have a pre-order window? Well, the big reason is that sometimes even pre-orders did not get on time, and this happens to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra pre-orders where Samsung did not manage to ship pre-orders to consumer due to chip shortage. And one of the biggest advantage you will get for the Galaxy Z Fold 4 pre-order is that the $100 credit will be given to you if you pre-order only the Fold 4 or Flip 4 devices. But if you are going to pre-order all the three devices like the Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds Pro alongside with any foldable devices, then you can end up saving $200 credit from Samsung, which you can use to buy the other accessories like the cases, charger or additional S Pen for Fold 4. Unfortunately, 1TB and 128GB variant are not going to be available globally according to the Twitter leakster Anthony. Some markets only get 256 and 512GB variant, and there is a sad news for the European user because they are getting only two variants like 256 and 512GB on their market. And also the pricing has been leaked by a retailer which indicates that the Fold 4 devices are going to be a little bit on the expensive side. Like we have 1849 euros price tag for 256GB of variant and 2000 euros for 512GB variant. It's really sad to see previous rumors were wrong about the Fold 4 for pricing. Now, as far as the changes that we can expect for the Fold 4, Samsung will be bringing the Fold 4 with a similar design just like the Z Fold 3, but few things are changed. First, if you look at the camera, it's going to be having a similar design, but the camera sensor are going to be way better than the last year Galaxy Z Fold 3. It's coming with a 50 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 12 megapixel of ultra wide and a 10 megapixel of a telephoto camera with a 3x of zoom capability. And also there is a big change in the hinge department. Instead of having two hinges which increase the weight, we only have a single hinge, and it will help out both the inner and the outer display of the Z Fold 4. So with that being said, if you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Peace.